Hello everybody. In today's assignment, you will see there are 6 figures. From these 6 figures, you will need to choose at least 3 of them. And then you will draw those part files on Autodesk Inventor. After that, you will need to set up the drawings in a drawing layout with front section views along with the isometric view with dimensions, center lines and center marks. Also, you need to complete the title block as well. Okay, so I'm going to show you one example how to set up the drawing layout with the front section view and the isometric view. Today's assignment is mainly focusing on the section view. So for example, I'm choosing this one, the ratchet plate. You can follow this YouTube link to create the part file. For each figures, there is a YouTube link provided for your convenience. So following that video link, I have already created the part file here, which is the ratchet plate. So I'm going to save this file first. After the drawing, I'm going to save this file with the name ratchet plate figure 8.3. Save. And then I'm going to open the drawing layout template that I created. So you should have your template already. Let me open that. Open. It is here. This is the drawing template that I have. Okay, after that you need to bring the base view. So base, this is the base view. Base view should have the circular front side. So I'm going to keep this as here and click OK. After that, I'm going to use the section view. Okay, click on the section view and then choose the figure and then bring your mouse closer to the circle. It will show you the green dot, that is the center point. Okay, if you bring your mouse closer to the circle and move your mouse closer to the center point, it will show you the center point with the green dot. Now do not click on the center point, do not click, just move your mouse and see the green dot. Once you see the green dot, now slowly move your mouse down. You will see an dotted line that is projecting from the center point. So outside of the figure, make your first left click and then move your mouse straight up and click on the other side of the figure. Okay, now right click, just use your mouse, right click and click on continue. Now move your mouse to the right and left click. Okay, and this is the section view, that is basically slicing this figure, slicing this object and making this section view, and you'll see the hash lines over here. This hash line, pattern of this hash line depends on the material of this object. Okay, by the way, you also need the isometric view over here. So use the projected view, left click on here, move your mouse to the top right corner and left click again. And then after that, right click and click on the create button. And this is the isometric view. Double click on here and make it shaded. Okay, after that you need to use the annotation, center mark, use the center mark over here, use the center line. This center line bisectors will be useful, so use that for making the central mark. Use this line over here and this line over here, that will create the central line. And after that you need to add the date, so use the date. This is 10/31st 2022. I'm sorry, over here 2022. And then this is the assignment number 8.3. Done. After that, go to file, click on save as, and instead of using the same name, give a different name to your to your file, drawing, let's say 8.3, save. And also remember that you need to add the model annotation, that means the dimensions. So click on the retrieve model annotations and click on here, apply, click on the section view, apply, and close. Now you need to move all these dimensions away from the figure so that they are readable. And listen, here it is showing only up to second decimal points, but it should show up to third decimal points. Basically it is 0.125, which is not showing here. So you need to edit the dimension style, go here, edit layers, find the dimensions, expand it, and click on the default dimensions, and find out the precision and make this up to third decimal points, and then save and close. You'll see now the third decimal point is also showing here. Okay, now you need to click on the save button to make the saving updated version. That's it.